This is the Z-Space PCH board where we describe our project. So the first thing that we do is we take an MRI file and we convert it into an SCL format. Then we take that SCL format and convert it to an OBJ so it can be imported by Unity. Then our sponsor manipulates the object and we are able to export it back into an SCL format so we can further study the object.
This is the Z-Space machine. There are infrared sensors up here in the top right and top left corners, which track these nifty glasses that I'm wearing. As you can see, the picture on the screen will rotate depending on which way I lean my head. We also have this stylus that allows us to pick up an object and rotate it, move it in and out. And that is the machine we're working on today.
Yep.
Alright, so one of the key features of our project is the import feature. This is our file browser. It goes directly to our assets folder. Now, the import is able to import objects and STL files. In order to import the STL files, what it does is it converts it to a object file and saves it in the assets folder, and then puts that object inside the game. So here's testfile.stl, and as you can see, it was added to the project. And Mesh Collider is added to it, so you can click it and move it with the stylus.
So we can also import OBJ files as well as STL files. So once we click select for an OBJ file, we can, if we make a change to the OBJ file, we can go ahead and export it so that the change is seen in the other environment that the clinician uses. So once we click on export and we go back to our we'll be able to see this file called testfile_exported.stl, which is the exported file of the object imported at the moment. One of the other feature that we've implemented within our program is loading medical objects. So if a surgeon wants to use, let's say, a total artificial heart left, they can just import it in within it, and they all have mesh colliders, which enables them to be grabbed with the stylus. So I can do the TH right and the pin. Should be shown right there. And all of these objects can be moved through the stylus. Grab this. Just move it. That's it. Should be good.
I'm going to be showing how the Mesh Collider works with the stylus in the Z-Space project. First, we import an object, like the humanoid STL. And as you can see, the humanoid STL right here is an irregular shape. However, if we pause the program and we go to the humanoid, it's a white guy. We can see it has a Mesh Collider on it, and the way this works is in the scene we can see the Mesh Collider around the object, and the way it does this is after inputting the OBJ we draw the vertices, and the Mesh Collider takes care of drawing lines for those vertices, and those lines act as a collision detection for the other objects in the scene.